So tell us about a client situation, a financial planning issue that you dealt with.
So this comes up often. I would say multiple times a week. We're talking with clients or prospects about this particular issue. And this gentleman, I'm going to call him Daniel. He works for a blue chip company. So he's not like working for an Nvidia or Apple, but something that's just a company that's been around for a long time and they've done really well. And he's an executive. And you know what that means? That means he's gotten paid every flavor of equity compensation that you can think of, right? I know it's like alphabet soup this morning, but this applies to so many. So he has a net worth of about $5 million, but 40% of this was tied up in his company. So it's not only a huge tax liability, it's just a financial liability. If this company, if something goes sideways, not only do you lose your job, but you lose a lot of your net worth.
And how old?
So he's in his mid-50s.
And it's the time in your life, most people at this stage in life are less concerned about becoming wealthier and more concerned about going back.
And I feel like people at this stage in their life, their career is going well. They're still a ways away from thinking about retirement. And so they're not necessarily thinking about how to be proactive with their financial planning and especially tax planning. They're just letting life happen to them as far as finances go, right? So if you're not keeping all of this straight, okay, if you're just letting your financial life happen to you instead of being proactive and understanding the impact of all of these different employer compensation packages, then not only are you potentially paying alternative minimum tax, you could also be paying what we call NIT, which is net, I'm blanking. It's NIIT. Net investment income tax. So if you're tripping both of those, you could be paying tens of thousands of dollars in tax that you could have avoided if you were just a bit more intentional about how these pieces fit together.